Yeah. Okay. So the Robo Cloud Connect was an event where the bots were in actual environment and students were controlling them online, right? This was the actual event. So first of all, why we have chosen go for hardware bot rather than just software bots? Vivek will explain. Vivek.
So mostly it's all come down to experience, whatever what Yantra's like goals are, and we are a what do you call engineers team, not a game developers. Okay,
Hmm.
so what we want to do was a hardware event, not a game event. Okay, so to do that, we choose the hardware route. Okay, we physically made the bot. There's a physical arena was there, physical bots were there, the people controlling them. That was online, but other than that, everything was on hardware level. Hardware, electronics, everything.
Yeah.
Not just software, everything.
And yeah, I should emphasize like this was not the first time we are doing this.
Mm.
Before that, also we have tried this thing. I can show you. You can clearly see the difference between both. Okay, this was the first time we had tried this one, and as you can see, the production level.
ये नहीं इससे अच्छा था एक. Next, show the next one.
This one was the first day, and
Day two the
this was day two. Yeah.
yeah,
So
a
yeah,
bit better, bit tiny.
we are improving. Anyway, yeah. At that time, bot speed was a bit more. That should also be considered. So yeah, we had some changes, like on UI based on bot based on
Everything.
everything actually. Okay, so
Arena,
I think we should
bots.
go one by one. Okay,
Yeah.
we had a plan to record a proper like session, but we didn't get time. So yeah, we will just go through this one only. What is the first one? Uh,
First one is the bots. Bot design was the first one. Again, screen gone.
I don't know why it's happening. Is it this one creating an issue?
Maybe.
Something is going on. Is it visible to you guys first of all?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, I'm not sure recording is going on or not. Wait, I'll just
It is recording. Display capture.
okay. Okay, I think yeah, it's better now. Okay, so we'll go one by one. Okay, so first of all, what was it? Hardware.
Hardware. Like the
Okay,
bots. First of all, the bots.
so bots were simple. Okay, first of all, there's no complication in bots.
Controller.
Uh, Bots were simple. It's like a ASP8266 bots mostly. Wait, I will just bring the bots as well. Till then, you can take over once.
So first we'll go over the bots, like why we chose this design piece, why these motors, why RPI, why RPI plus ESP, why not just RPI. These things will go one by one. Okay. And if you have any question regarding them, you can ask them. So last time the bots were like pretty basic. The design was also pretty basic. Like the push plate was also like kind of flat, not flat, but like the angle was not too steep. I think it was around 20 degree, maybe 15 to 20 degree. Okay, and this time we improve on that. That's why this time you saw the bots going on top of another bot. That's one of the, like, I'll say, a good design choice.
Yeah.
Okay, this one turn
So
on.
we'll show that as well.
Is this session being recorded?
Yeah, we are recording. I guess so. I'm not entirely sure for this thing. Okay, I'm just trying this one as well.
Switch.
Just one second.
Click on transform just.
Okay. Okay, I think yeah. Now it's visible as well. So
Camera.
this was the actual bot. Okay, what you have used in that. So yeah, you were explaining the body part, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, you can explain a bit.
So bot design, like if you can see here, this plate is almost 45 or 50 degree. Okay, if you go this it's almost 50 degree. So last time it was around 20 degree, like this much last time it was. So the bot were like just pushing. They were not going on top or doing some crazy things. Okay. So this time I increased that like to 45 degree, almost 40. It may be 40. I don't remember correct exact angle. There was some angle I chose because of these wheels. Like this I need to maintain. So this is pretty steep. Okay. So because of this, bots are able to go on top of, like they were able to like just if you go from behind, they are able to just roll it like on top or just put that other bot on top. So that was one design choice. The wheel system was basic, four wheels, simple. Then there were some design choices like on aesthetics wise, that like the Yantra logo. It is not just painted. If you can see, it's like it's popping out. Yantra logo plus Rover logo. These both are there. And then we have on top. This is a camera. What do you call? Camera mount. Webcam camera mount. It's also at an angle. If you can show, I think.
Screen stop.
Yeah, maybe good idea. We'll do this. We'll do this also. Okay. Now it should be good.
Is it visible now? Okay.
So yeah. So this top plate,
Yes, yes.
it's also at an angle for webcam. So you guys can have this.
Maybe you can just show like this. Yeah. Now you can see, right? It's like a thin and it's thick here,
There's an angle for
right?
webcam.
I think yeah.
Yeah. Background is also white.
Yeah. So this was the thing. We have maintained this.
For webcam for
Yeah.
viewing angle. Next was last time the bots like this opening door was slide mechanism. Like it was using dovetail mechanism. So just you can just this you push it out, it comes out. There was nothing locking it last time. Okay, there's if one board goes on top of another board, this plate will come off. That was one issue last time. Okay, but this time this is proper hinge. This is a proper hinge mechanism. It won't come off. I just open it, repair it, close it, done. Okay, this is all the outer exterior part. And also we have this thing. So last time we also have one issue which is battery management. We were not able to judge like how much battery is left. Should we replace the batteries or leave them as is? So we also added a voltmeter, a real-time voltmeter in the back, so we can easily see the voltage. It also comes under like fair play, so you guys can also see the battery voltage on your FPV. So if you like your battery is lower, other battery is high, these things we can see. Yeah, Priyanshu, you wanna ask something?
I was asking that the voltmeter,
Hmm?
is it like coupled with Arduino or anything
No,
like
no, no.
software
Directly.
directly with the battery?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
These are cheap voltmeter. You can buy them. I think they cost around 40 to 50 rupees.
I also use them.
Yeah, yeah. They are good for what they are. And then we have the nameplate. This is Sith. If you know, if you know, you know. Okay. So this is all the exterior. Now we go inside. Come on, the guy.
Yeah, just like a one Arduino.
So
Sorry, yeah,
that's a
ARPA is here.
RPI
Else is there
0 to
only.
W, and this is the inside of the bot. So motors, a battery holder there, and the motor driver and all those things are mounted in front. So electronic wise, simple. There's nothing like to
Yeah,
not we're not doing
and
something
this was separated actually. This was just there for video feed.
video
Okay.
streaming.
Yeah, we had initially tried with ESP cam in Robo Rumble 1, and it was not that great just because we tried ESP cam with a very large distance from the network, so it was really bad. So this time we thought like how we can improve that thing. So we tried this one. So this works well, and we actually want to directly stream this thing to your screen, but this doesn't work. We did some other thing. I will explain that later. So yeah, so hardware wise done.
Before like we also like initial plan was to use not to use this like this low powered what do you
Zero
call it?
W.
0W and use RPI 4 or 5, but due to some reasons we couldn't use that. Okay, we have to use this only, and this doesn't have too much power, like basic pretty basic power it has.
Yeah. So this was the hardware part and
Electronic.
electronics part. Okay, this much is done. Anything you wanna ask, you can just ask once. Else we can just proceed.
Is it like just become limitation?
We can say it's limitations, and we want a better quality as well. That's also
Quality
one
was also a main
contribution.
point. Like if you guys have seen the ESP cam quality,
Mhm.
you can see how bad it is without without proper lighting. And we are also using these cameras on a dark environment.
Yeah.
You know those lights and those ESP cam wouldn't have worked in that situation.
Hmm.
So overall, it was a good decision to use RPI with webcam. What
What
was the
was
FPS in
FPS was 30, I guess, if I'm not wrong.
like
Actually, we had like this thing like not limitation. It's a
technically
trade-off.
not
Like yeah, it's a trade-off.
no,
Like
no. Like one more issue with the 0WS is it only works on 2.4 gigahertz. It doesn't work 5 gigahertz. So if we have other RPI, a powerful RPI, and we were using 5 gigahertz, this thing, what do you call, uh, band frequency, we could have streamed on 60 FPS also. But then there's also your limitation because if you have a bad internet and we are pushing 60 FPS feed to your camera, that also one more issue there.
yeah. So these were the things in there for camera feeds and all. Yeah, I will discuss once more. Anything else you wanna ask in hardware and electronics? You can just ask once, or you can proceed. Okay, I think we can proceed. Okay, so I will show you that screens now.
Screen share.
Yeah, take care. Okay, so yeah, it was 3D printed. Okay, so let me log in first. So I will show you admin panel as well.
Slash.
Okay, so this was the admin panel we had, and this was a login screen. I will log in as well. Okay, so yeah. So first of all, as you can see, this was like this. I will show Hostinger as well to explain you about this as well. Okay, so yeah. So here we had an option of activating this thing, right? So as you can see here, you are in lobby first of all, but when I'll just maybe Horus and then
Save.
save, then
Make active.
so this is selected now Horus, and now I will just make player active. So this will we have to refresh once, and then we are redirect to the control center. So it was like that. So this is the admin panel where Vivek was giving you access to just control the pods. Okay, and here we can just directly manipulate the values
Code.
like 600 or something. So it will reflect to your. I will just make save. So it will directly just make 600 here directly, right? And it was fetching the value whatever you have mentioned here, which is Horizon Seth, and the video feed also it was just taking from actually from backend. I will show you the backend as well. Yeah, so this is the backend, and in the admin php, as you can see, we have given the links. Okay, so from here we are pushing the links to like this is the link where we are pushing this video feed, and you are able to see the video feed. So it was like that. And here, as you can see, here is view, right? If I will push view, push here, so it will be like pushing video to that link. And if it's view, it will be like viewing that push video into your screen. It's like that. I'm not sure how much I'm able to explain you. So yeah, it was like that. And this was two condition. One was for Horus and one was for Seth. As you can see, if bot ID is equals to Horus, this will happen, and if the bot ID is equal to Seth, this will happen. Okay, so these are two condition for this one. And yeah, for updating and all, it's a normal thing.
Bot control,
And
bot access.
yeah, apart from that, we had this one also, bot on, bot off. So in the ESP code, we have mentioned like whatever we are giving, it's through MQTT. Okay, so in that we have mentioned, if you receive a command like bot off, then whatever command you will get, you have to ignore that command. Okay, and if you get the command bot on, so whatever command you will get, you have to react on that. So it was simply like that. Okay, so these are the things, simple things we had. And apart from this, what else? Yeah,
That
video feed. So I will explain you a bit about Video Ninja. Actually, this is part of OBS. Okay, so in this one, it's a very interesting tool. It's a peer-to-peer communication between two like computers. Okay, so it's a simple push and view. Okay, so if I am pushing some data from my side, and you are just like view, so you will view the same data from your end. Okay, I'm not sure if you are able to.
mm,
Are you getting what I'm saying? First of all, guys. Okay, ये क्यों नहीं खुल रहा?
एक काम कर, वो डाल, वो लिंक डाल.
Okay, let's see if it will open. Okay, yeah. Why it's this much slow? Okay, so I will give you guys this one, and I will just replace this push to view. Shit.
उम्मीद थी मुझे इसके से.
Okay, I'm back.
We are back.
Yeah. Okay, so in this push, I will just make view. Okay, and I'm just sending you this link, and here I can push something. For example,
Video feed.
yeah, maybe this video feed only. So whenever you will just go to this link, you will be able to see the feed I am pushing from here, right, which is my camera feed for now. Okay, okay, so yeah, I hope you understand about how we are pushing the videos as well. So yeah, I will explain for ESP as well, sorry, this one RPI as well. So this one is not that much capable. Otherwise, I was trying, like, if somehow I can just open a browser there directly in this RPI, and in that browser only, if I can just directly put my video feed and directly stream it. Okay, so it didn't work. So what we did is, we locally stream this video feed to a other computer, and using that computer we are screen sharing that video feed to Video Ninja, and then you are getting the feed. It was like a this flow.
ये proper chain.
Yeah, so this kind of thing we have did in video streaming. For controls, it's like a MQTT command. So MQTT is like a publisher and subscriber. Okay, so MQTT so you were the publisher, and this bot was a subscriber for that MQTT data where we had. Okay, so a publisher will give the command, and a subscriber will receive the command. After receiving the command, whatever we did, it's like a local thing, but receiving and publishing the command, it was a part of a global network, which I think we have used this one. What was there? Amazon AWS server from I think EU.
EU.
Yeah, so we had that one because it was free only, so we used that. So this was the complete flow. Apart from this, if you guys want to ask something, you can ask.
There's also OBS settings,
Yeah.
but right now we don't have that. It's in a different PC, so we can't show you guys right now. Like what setup we're using for OBS, what settings, those things. They are mostly just pick and place things. Like we had our creative team made some what do you
Frames.
call, some posters, some logos, and we just put them there and that thing.
Yeah. So this was a complete flow what we did in there. Apart from this, what you were saying, can you guys also show the code for ESP and zero? For zero to W, there is no code, right?
Yeah, we just
It's a simple command actually.
we can share the command.
Yeah, I can share the command as well.
You can.
I am making a repo as well. I will share the repo as well. Maybe from Yantra or from my GitHub.
I will just make
Yeah,
our own and just push
fork.
it to Yantra.
Yeah, so this one we can do, and yeah, I think that much is done.
For 0W, we were just using like we log into it using SSH.
Yeah,
Use a command to push our like webcam feed over Wi-Fi to the PC. That was simple thing. There was nothing like too complicated. It would be complicated if we had used the other route. That didn't work.
no, actually, it was more easy in the sense we
E-
don't have to do anything.
it was easy, but
It's a bit complicated. Actually, it was just heavy for the RPi 0 to do
yeah,
handle. Otherwise, if it's like a 4B or 5, then it will handle properly. So we can just directly open, like we will have a command properly, like okay, open browser, go to this link and execute this things. Then it will be like a
a
proper flow.
script. We will have a
Yeah,
script.
we can have a script kind of thing, but that didn't work for, so that we have to do this thing. So we just tried this method. So this works. That's how this is. Yeah. Anything you wanna ask apart from these things? Any doubts or something? No.
I wanted to ask that, like, how did the ESP receive the command? Like, was it connected with through Wi-Fi or
Yeah.
like?
Yeah, yeah.
It was connected to a router, and the router have internet, so it was getting the data. Like I just told, right? This pushing and subscriber. Sorry, not pushing. This publisher and subscriber. So in MQTT you have publisher and subscriber. You are connected to the network, the same network. It was connected using internet. Okay, so a router was receiving the command, the subscriber command, and that subscriber command was pushed to this bot, and this bot was executing the thing according to the need, the command you had sent, like that. You don't record session, like it would be helpful for student. Yeah, actually sometime I didn't record, but yeah, this time I'm recording, so yeah.
Like we're trying to what do you call? Trying to improve our recording quality. We don't want to just record a thing and just
Actually
push it.
we are recording, as you can see here.
How good the quality is, that's a
It
push.
just like we are just recording, that's it. Yeah, and actually for recording we have to ask link from SAC every time. I don't like that. For that reason I record in this way. So yeah, whatever it is. But okay, it's recorded anyway, so don't worry. And we are planning, if we will get a time, like get some time, we'll just record it properly. When we'll see the next Robo Rumble, depends.
There might never be.
Chances are there.
Yeah, because you guys don't know the back end what we have to went through.
Yeah. Ask IITM, they are not that supportive. We can't do anymore. Okay, whatever. I hope you enjoyed Robo Rumble. As such,
Reasons, there are reasons.
there are reasons. After recording, I will show. Yeah. Robo Rumble certificate. I had the list of people. I'm just getting delayed just because I don't have the template. I will ask my creative team to make template, or I will just get a template by myself. Then I can just make it. Or if you want the same template as before, then we can just do that as well. If it will work. Under construction, yeah, you can say under construction. Prize money, IITM, not us.
Paradox.
Paradox team.
IITM paradox. Not us.
Paradox team. They have their own time. No, actually, we had there's some people asking for this funds and all. Like, so they told they will take their own time. So they're also not sure. So yeah, this is one thing. Apart from this, anything else? I think done. I think we have explained all the things. Hope so.
Yeah.
Anything left?
I don't think so. How the time is? Half an
27.
hour.
Ah, it's okay. So yeah, if you guys any more session on this kind of thing or we just interaction, we can maybe have on next Sunday as well. Okay. 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 Nice. Nice to see you guys. More session. We will have a discussion on group as well. No issues. Okay.
Also, I have one question. How many of you will be interested on a session like 3D printers? Like uploading your custom firmware, connecting your AirPod to a 3D printer and controlling it
So
wirelessly and those things, pushing it to its limits and those things.
this time maybe he can take a session on that in the Yantra Nirman. We are continuing Yantra Nirman 2.0 only because last time we didn't complete any courses. So yeah, in 2.0 he will take 3D printer sessions. Maybe he can take one or two sessions for CAD and just printing as well. Will it
Print
work?
like CAD, then slicer, then 3D printer as a hardware.
Yeah, so all he can take, and if you'll complete, we'll go for some certifications as well. So yeah, this kind of thing we can do. So I think if you it will be interesting for you guys, then we can just have this one as well.
A different session.
Yeah, like you have seen board building, drone making, robotic arm, CV on RPI, these kind of things. So we can add one more. I think drone making we are not going for this time because he was the instructor for that and he is opting for something else.
Not
So yeah,
opting, but like there's nothing more to like
yeah,
for
and
basic drone. There's nothing more. And if I want to go into advanced one, I don't have hardware and things for in with me. Like I
yeah.
don't have a hardware for explaining that. I don't want to just speak theoretically. You
Mhm.
know.
And for board building also I should clarify for so this might be the last session I'm taking and after this if you will just make something after end of this term we'll have a proper what you can say evaluation. You have to create a PPT, whatever you did, whatever things you have faced issues in, that will be there. And airplanes like VTOL. We'll consider that. Wait for
Wheat.
first. Wait. I'll just complete myself. Yeah. So just have to make a PPT. You have to just show a working demo. If it's not working, also just make a demo like why it's not working or at least what are the issues you are facing. This kind of thing. Make a proper PPT. Okay. And then we'll have a evaluation based on the things we just receive. Yeah, and on that we will just give you certificate like you did something or like that. Hope it's clear.
It's lagging.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure why it's lagging.
Network dying or
Not sure. Here also. Okay.
mostly network.
Okay, better now. So yeah, these are the things. Yeah, what else was he was asking? VTOL drones. He can just consider
VTOL,
that.
VTOL. Like same thing. I don't want to do anything theoretically. VTOL I can technically make, but I don't have things. Simple as that. If I
Technically,
had stuff for making a VTOL, if I'm working on a VTOL, I'd definitely make a video on that. But without hardware, I don't want to just speak on thin air.
technically, these kind of thing. One more club can open up for these things specifically.
Aerospace.
Aerospace club because robotics doesn't deal with all the things in this.
Like
Still,
it can come under robotics, no issue.
Aerospace degree is also releasing, right? On January
yeah, it's
something.
yeah in January they are releasing this.
Let's see what happens in that.
Interesting enough, but whatever.
That is specially dedicated for drones and UAVs only, like
Yeah,
that
it's
degree.
might fit degree.
Yeah, so let's see how it goes. And simple thing I can just say, IITM is not supporting us in all the any of the things. I will say, for that reason we are just constrained.
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद हो गई
No, it's not.